Randy Smith is the defendant in the case. Renato Lopez is a witness in the case. He can testify to the fact that the police were assaulting him and the approximate distance between Randy and the police when the police asked Randy to step back. Joe Marks is the white police officer who punched Renato and later ordered another officer to arrest Randy. He will testify that Randy was very close to his car and getting in the way of his arrest of Renato, who he will describe as dangerous and resisting arrest. Ethan Wong is the bouncer at La Noche nightclub. He will testify that Renato was drunk and rowdy and attempting to hit other patrons at the bar. He will also testify that he was forced to call the police and that the police had to take extreme measures to subdue Renato. He was outside watching when the police asked Randy to step back and could testify that Randy was approximately 25 feet away from Renato and Officer Marks. Okay, guys, so let's start talking about how to prep for the opening statement in Randy's case. The first question for you is, what's the theme of the case? What's its emotional heart?
Simple. There's no way that Randy was obstructing the police officer in any way. I mean, he was at least 25 feet away.
Ashley, what do you think?
Well, I agree with Rob, of course, but I feel like the jury will have seen all these videos of the way that police treat people of color, and I feel like this is about that too. I wonder, could we say that Randy was protecting his young friend who he's been mentoring? I mean, all he did was hold out his cell phone and try and call the guy's mom.
Yeah. It sounds like you and Rob should keep talking to hone the theme a little bit more. The other thing you need to think about is the case theory. What is it, and how are you going to explain it to a jury? Okay, so now that we've talked about theme and case theory, let's talk about story. A story makes sense of the evidence that will be presented in this case. You know a good story. You can use flashbacks, you can use chapters or chronological order, but the key is to break up the story and make sure that it explains what happens and incorporates the key facts. A good story has characters. These are your witnesses. Preview what the witnesses will say and how that fits within the larger story. We're about to watch Rob and Ashley deliver their opening in Randy's case. Before we do that, a few practical tips about opening statements.